The reason I'm every day going in the class is to motivate you people.
Yes.
Perfect. How can I attract you people? How we can motivate you people to build your career development? Okay, you have to make a road. You know, when you are achieving the objectives, you have a roadmap. How you achieve? I have seen many students. They have a fear
Yes.
that I can't do it. I cannot speak English. I cannot communicate. This is a fear. But once you speak to anybody else, your own mother language, you don't have any sort of feeling that you don't have a fear. But you have to fear means you have to eliminate the fear. And one more thing, many students, when their exams are coming, they just think, oh, I can't do it. Then they have a different ways. Either they have to monkey around, or either they are thinking that I will go for the teacher and ask them, give us some questions. Now, this is a laziness. My student, my campus student, suppose be different. Once you set your goals, then accordingly, like if you are thinking that after 90 days your exam will be like a different subject, you have exams. Now, promise me, every day, if you just divided 90 days, every day, 30 minutes for one subject, so definitely you must have something to achieve. One of my professor in Lahore, University of Management Sciences, when I was there in Lahore, I was an analysis, CG modeling expert in the project. A student in a first lecture, they have a little bit, because we have a better student than the LUMS and other students, because they have a very ego that we are from LUMS, we are like this, we are like this. So they have not that much thirst. Thirst comes once you get some knowledge from any teacher. So thus you have better, understanding, learn something. So what happened? In a first class, they have perceived that if someone is coming from Sakkar or someone is coming from an interior background, he must have a average English, or he cannot speak English, or maybe we can overcome him. So what happened in my first lecture, that was CG modeling, students, they were just, keep talking each other. Right. Because in a 10 minutes, first 10 minutes, they pursue. Their perception was that if someone is coming from a background of rural, so he may or he may be not a fruitful teacher to us. But that perception went wrong. Because they were not knowing it. I have a pregnancy of Australia, I have a PhD from Australia, masters from Australia, and 32 countries. In America, I have a vast variety of experiences. So you have to judge yourself at least. And the third thing is reduction. Maybe you have a mobile reduction. Many of us, we are a human being, we are a social contacts. So everyone has a mobile reduction. So once you are mindset in the class and you are somewhere else, that's also one of the biggest mistake who the students are doing. When you recognize yourself, you have to think about three things. What, when and how. What subject you are interested in. If you are interested in psychology, go ahead. If you are interested in medical, go ahead. If you are interested in literature, go ahead. If you are interested in language, go ahead. So your interest comes first. So according to your interest, if you are in an English department, you have to make your preferences. Okay, at what time you have to give in this subject, what time you have to give in this subject. Then when? When means the frequency of time. The frequency of time means at what time you have to go for the study. And in that study you have to be committed that 30 minutes for that particular subject. And how? Either you are going for Google, either you are going for YouTube. Because right now you can have many opportunities. When we were a student, we have only library, books, but you have e-books. You have everything in your mobile. So this is a blessing of the God you gave, because technology make you perfect. So you just Google and just get the answer of the many things. Now, after this, how you can, the third, fear is very easy. Once you are in the canteen, once you are outside the class, you make an environment yourself. You can promise me, because you have to speak English. My student, if they are going outside, so because you guys are very lucky, because recently we have a debate and quiz and essay competition, and 2 of 3 of the students, they won the prize. And it's not like this. 27 universities were there in IBA. When in essay writing, when we got a first position, it reminds us this is a born baby university, Larkana University, a very new, where we beat IBA Sakhar, which is where we beat Sindh University, Latif University. We beat most of the universities in Pakistan. Because not only Sindh, Pakistani, many universities, Bahauddin Zakaria University was there, Islamia University was there. So look, if you have concentrated, committed in a Larkana University, the student of English can beat everybody. So what is this? This reflects that you have potential. You have to beat the world. So promise me, from every day I'm coming to your class and give you a little bit from my psyche, that it's my prime duty that I can nurture your career better than others. Because leadership is not like this. Leadership is involve everybody. I can involve my faculty, I can involve my student. And one more thing before leaving, sorry, because every day I come and I just motivate them. So you have to make your time management as well. Every day you make a time management, and inshallah you will be succeed, and you will be the shines of the star. Inshallah. Thank you.